80% of people are making their dry eyes worse without knowing it. And what I'm about to show you will shock you. But in just 1 minute, you can completely eliminate dry eyes. Welcome to Healthy Secrets, where we reveal what doctors don't tell you. Hit subscribe so you never miss our exclusive content. Here's what's really causing your dry eyes, and it's not what you think. First, your air conditioning is literally sucking the moisture from your eyes. Second, you're dehydrating yourself with the wrong drinks. But the biggest mistake? You've forgotten how to blink properly. Here's the 1-minute technique that will change everything. Step 1. Cover your eyes with your palms for 10 seconds. Step 2. Do 20 slow, deliberate blinks. Step 3. Roll your eyes in circles 10 times each direction. Step 4. Focus on something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. That's it. Instant relief in under 60 seconds. But here's how to keep them from coming back. Keep your screen below eye level to reduce tear evaporation. Drink water with electrolytes, not just plain water. And use blue light glasses after 6 p.m. Now, if your dry eyes persist after trying this for a week, see a specialist immediately. You might need prescription drops or have an underlying condition, especially if you have severe pain, vision changes, or discharge. Here's what's controversial. This free method often works better than expensive drops. Try this technique and tell me in the comments. Did it work better than anything you've tried before? And what's your biggest dry eye trigger? Screen time, air conditioning, or something else? Don't miss our next video where I reveal how to improve your vision naturally in just 30 days. Hit subscribe and the notification bell so you never miss our exclusive health secrets. Thank you for being part of our YouTube community and watching our exclusive content. Here's an advanced tip most people don't know. Omega-3 supplements can reduce eye inflammation from the inside out, and a warm compress for 5 minutes unclogs your oil glands. This restores your natural tear film better than any artificial drops. Never have air blowing directly on your face. Add plants near your workspace for natural humidity. Follow the 20-20-20 rule religiously. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. The eye drop industry doesn't want you to know this. This free technique can be more effective than $200 monthly treatments. Clinical studies prove natural methods work for 70% of dry eye cases. Some doctors hate this video because it threatens their profits. Our viewers report an 89% success rate. The transformations are incredible. Share your results in the comments and help others find relief. If this technique helped you, smash that like button. Share it with anyone suffering from dry eyes. Join over 500,000 subscribers getting exclusive health content. Don't miss our next video on achieving perfect vision naturally. Thank you for being part of our community and watching our exclusive content. See you in the next video.